Think crochet is just for your grandma's blanket. Think again. From the runway of Milan to street of Paris, handmade is the new high fashion. Today we are counting down over 50 plus breathtaking crochet bag design that will make you want to pick up a hook or empty your wallet immediately. Whether you are a seasoned maker looking for your next project or a fashion lover hunting for that statement piece, stay tuned because the last 5 designs are in this videos are absolute game changer. We are kicking things off with the modern minimalist. Right now it's all about texture over color. Notice the use of t-shirt yarn and macrame cord here. This material gives the crochet bag a sturdy integrity we didn't see in 10 years ago. Now let's turn up the heat. You can't talk about crochet without mentioning the bohemian soul. This year, we are seeing a twist on the classic granny squares. We are taking sun defense raffia top that looks like they belongs on a yachi and a melfia. Check out the intricate fringes, works on the crossbody bags, it adds movement and look like to every step you take. For the makers watching, pay attention to the wooden handles and bamboo rings being integrated here. Mixing media yarn with the wood or leather is the easiest way to elevate the handmade bag from crafty to boutique look. Who says crochet can go to the wedding? As we move into a luxury statement, look at the shimmer on the velvet spunny clutch. By adding a simple gold chain stepper or a hand swing pearls into the mesh, this design revival any luxury brand. It's all in the details. Notice that the satin lining inside of these open stitch bags, it's add a pop of color and keep your essentials secure. This is where craftsmanship meets true artistry. And finally, the design you have been waiting for. There, the showstopper. We are talking about the 3D polar applique. Complex puff stitch, texture, and gradient color blocking that looks like a painting. These aren't just bags; they are conversation starters. They represent hours of passions, one loop at a time. Which of these styles was your favorite?